right, for your upright row, this is gonna get your shoulders, it's gonna get your upper back muscles working. Grab the bar pretty close. So you're gonna have to kind of play around with it to figure out what works best for you and what feels most comfortable. Also, this one can kind of tweak the shoulder for some people. So if you're doing this, you start feeling pain, just drop the exercise, send me a message and we'll figure out a different substitution for you. So you're gonna start with the weight in front, keep it directly against the front of your body as you go up. Your elbows are gonna go straight up and outside. Your wrists are always gonna stay underneath your elbows. So if you bring it up like this, you went too high, or your elbows didn't go up high enough. So elbows up nice and high, finish wherever you hit a stopping point. For me, it's about right there. So up.